Check the stress tolerances on this joint here. The analysis suggests a redesign. Agreed. Let's run the simulation again with the new composite structure.
The surface deviation is negligible, well within the parameters.
Confirmed. The laser scan shows a perfect mirror finish. The factory utilizes robotic assembly to produce high-efficiency brushless motors and precision propeller hubs for modern UAVs. In this climate-controlled environment, every layer of carbon fiber is critical to the fuselage's integrity. Pressure levels are fluctuating at the forward injection port. Adjusting flow rate now. Levels are stabilizing.
Looks like we have a perfect seal. No leaks detected.
Confirmed. The fuselage is ready for the autoclave. Check the thermal readings on the trailing edge. Looks good. Ramping up to full pressure now.
The surface finish is exceptional, truly a masterpiece component. Agreed. We can release this for the next phase.
The surface roughness measurements are exceeding the target specs here. Yes, the laser scan confirms a near-perfect aerodynamic finish on the fuselage. Wing spar positioning sequence active. Alignment confirmed. Locking procedure commencing. Hydraulic line secure. Structural bolts torqued to spec. Final check complete.
Check the alignment on the access panel here.
Reading confirmed. It's perfectly flush.
Alignment is holding steady at 99.8.
Confirmed. Optical calibration complete. Laser alignment is verified. Panel secure. Acknowledged. Finalizing sequence complete.
In a sterile cleanroom, precision robotic systems apply the specialized low-visibility coating, ensuring a flawless finish for the advanced aerospace drone.
Check the trailing edge on panel 4. We have a micron variation.
The heat map confirms it, but it's within tolerance.
Agreed. The scan is complete.
The laser scan confirms uniformity across the panel.
Agreed. The thermal data is also nominal. We can approve this section.
The thermal signature on Sector 4 is still reading high. Run the diagnostic again. Verify the coolant levels. Confirmed. Running now.
Power bus 1 active.
Confirmed. Switching to internal power. Avionics online.
Laser alignment holding within tolerance.
Noted. Data log confirms structural integrity at full extension.
Vibration levels stabilizing at T+40. Thrust vector nominal. Approaching 80%. Avionics status holding steady.
Synchronization complete.
Diagnostics complete. All systems nominal.
The trailing edge is holding, but look at the spike on the left fuselage map.
We should cycle down. The tracking stability is marginal at this angle. Rerun the thermal sequence. We need tighter parameters on the gimbal.
We have a precise location lock. Telemetry transmission is nominal. Acknowledged. Data links are stable across all bands.
Propulsion stabilized, all parameters green.
Confirmed. Systems verification complete.
All systems are nominal. Telemetry looks good across the board.
Runway 1 cleared for takeoff. Throttle up now.
Maintaining perfect stability, the drone autonomously follows its pre-programmed route. The ground team monitors the telemetry closely, ensuring mission success. Keep the gimbal locked on the lead vehicle. Confirmed. Tracking steady. We have reacquired the target tracking.
Confirming altitude and telemetry stabilization.
Drone is initiating the sharp banking maneuver now. Copy that. Telemetry looks good, slight drag increase, but within parameters. Another flawless run. The data confirms validation.
Excellent work, team.